How to download and play Counter-Strike 1.6 on PC or laptop. So if you want to download and play Counter-Strike 1.6 on PC or your laptop, then what you need to do is first open up your browser. So I'm here with my Chrome browser. You can go with any browser and go with search. Under search, you need to search for Counter-Strike 1.6 download. And here it will take you to the same option. You just need to simply click on it and scroll down, go with add to cart and just click on view my cart. And once you have the Counter-Strike right here, you just need to simply go with continue to payment, which is on the right side, and it will only cost you $1.09. So you just need to simply continue to your payment and add your payment method if you've not added your payment method. And after that, you can pay for the game and then you will have the download option right here. So that's how you can download or install Counter-Strike. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.